Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna help you to fix the problem that happened to a lot of people in Cash App, which is sorry, you are not able to sign up at this moment. Okay, so this problem happened to a lot of people, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you what you can do in that situation. Okay, so now I am going to show you the steps. So the first thing that you need to do, which is if you can't access the Cash App, check settings on your phone. If you don't have any apps installed, go to settings, then apps and notifications, then all, and scroll down until you find Cash App and tap to open it. Okay, then tap the gear icon in the upper right corner and then select reset password, then enter the password you want to use and then tap OK. And if you still can't get past the login screen on your phone, try resetting it. Okay, so how you can resetting it with you need to go first to settings, then general, then reset, and then erase everything, then enter a new passcode and tap next. So these are the ways that you need to follow in order to solve that problem. But if you did these two ways and it's still not working, now you need to go and contact the customer support and explain to them your situation, and they're gonna guide you in order to fix that problem. So these are all the ways that you need to follow in order to fix that problem of sorry, you are not be able to sign up at this time. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.